sometimes I need to know if the date is a Monday or Tuesday.
Right, there's a lot of functions that are going to help you analyze existing dates. So let's take a look at some of those.
Okay.
So let's look at our order date. We want to analyze that data a little bit, and we want to know when we're getting the most orders, maybe what days of the week, what days, the month, the year, etc. So we're going to go through and do that. So first of all, we will go to the Formulas tab, and we're in the Order Day column, so we'll just go through in that order. So we're going to go to Date and Time, and then we're going to go down to the Day function. Now don't get confused with the Days function. The Days function does exactly the same thing as subtracting 2 dates. It tells you the difference between them, but I usually just subtract. But so we'll use the Day function. Go ahead and click on it. And then all you do, it says serial number, but that means the date. So just click on our date there in F2 and choose OK. You got your date again. So let's just go to the Home tab and change that to a number. We'll actually set that to General. And of course, you can tell by looking at it that the day of the month is the 16th.
Okay.
So go ahead and just copy that on down the column. Excellent. So next we're going to analyze the months and see which months we're getting the most orders. So we're going to go to the blank cell in that column. We'll go to the Formulas tab. We'll go to the Date and Time category. And this one is going to be month. So just find the month function. We'll click in the Order Date cell again. Choose OK. And as you can see, it's going to tell you that it is March or month 3. So it's just pulling it from the order date. And then of course you could do the year. That's going to give you the same information. It's just telling us about an existing date. It's letting us parse out this information to analyze it. So let's go to Date and Time. We'll go down to year. Same date.
2018.
Right, so we can get information about just the day of the month itself, or the year. Now earlier you asked about the weekday, if I want to know what day of the week it is. I want to know when I'm getting the most calls, or what day of the week I'm getting the most complaints, or whatever the case may be. We can actually analyze the weekday. So let's go to the next column, and we're going to go to the Date and Time again, and the name of this function is weekday. So we'll go ahead and choose that. We're going to click in the same date again, that order date. And we'll choose OK. And it tells us 6. So Sunday is 1, Saturday is 7.
Okay.
So day 6 is going to be Friday. So that tells us that that order happened on a Friday. So now we'll just select all of those. We'll just copy them all down at once. And we've got some analysis for that date. And I'll just mention 2 others that you might want to do sometimes under the Date and Time category. You also have a week num that would tell you the week number. So if you need the 1 to 52 number, if you use those, then you could analyze what week during the year that date occurred.
Okay.
And we also have one that'll give us the ISO week number, and as you know, that can be a little bit different from the standard week number. So if you need that, that's also in here to help you analyze your data.
I'll use these functions to help analyze my dates.